guys, it's me, ArayliaJS, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be redoing my bathroom, and I love the way that it turned out. It looks amazing. I'm so excited, and the process of doing it was super great. I did it all on a budget. I really didn't spend any money. I just used things that I had, and I redid it in under a week. So it turned out really nice, and I hope you guys like seeing the process of me doing it, but I'm super excited, and without further ado, let's get started.
Yeah.
It was just a screw.
Yeah, just make sure you got your electricity out.
Daddy!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Daddy! No, that's scary, Daddy.
Yeah.
I know you're trying to turn the
That adds
electricity
drama
off.
to the...
Let me see. So the first thing that we did was take out the old light fixture because that just did not match at all. And we already had this really pretty boho one, and so I put up this really nice pendant light. It looks great in the bathroom, and I love the color.
There we go.
Thanks, Dad. That looks great.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Moving on, the next thing that I knew that I wanted to tackle was the mirror, and so I took this down and I just didn't think that it really matched that much, so I took it down and I decided that I wanted to completely redo it. So I taped off everything just so that it wouldn't get messed up, and I used spackling, wall spackling, to cover it, and I didn't do a really thick coat. It was just really thin, because I want it to still be kind of rustic and have that steel design underneath. But I just waited for that to dry overnight, and I flipped it over and I cut up a bunch of pieces of raffia, and we actually found an easier method to do this at the end, but I cut up all these pieces and just grabbed bundles of them and glued them down, and I did that around the entire mirror, which took absolutely forever. So it does take a while, but it worked and looked really great. But here's the easy method. So you just take the cluster, glue it, and then cut it. So glue, then cut it. Don't cut it before. It's too much work. I then went to Hobby Lobby looking for knobs, and I didn't find any big ones that I liked, but I did find the little ones that I wanted to put on my drawers, and they had a bunch of cute options, but my heart wanted the little ones with the gold on them, so I got 4 of those to put in my bathroom. I found the cutest dried grass at Hobby Lobby also, and I got some light switch covers and a new light bulb for my bathroom because I love the warm color, not a bright light, just super nice and warm. So I finally found it. Now it's time to remove these super ugly knobs, and I'd already put in one, but I just unscrewed them, took out the screw, and screwed in the other new ones, and these look so much better. I love the way that they turned out, and I just did that for all 4 of the little drawers that I had, and it looked really nice, and it was just super easy, and it just makes it look a little bit fresher. So I love, love, love the way that this looks. Time to remove the old light switch covers. These were so annoying. The owners before us had painted them, and I just was like, we need to get some new ones. So I unscrewed those, and they were like literally painted to the wall, but I got them off, and I was so excited to put the new ones on. It just looked a lot cleaner and fresh, so I really liked it. But just doing simple stuff like that just really makes the difference, so I like the way that it turned out. I'm really happy with it. I'm so excited because I finally get to put my mirror back up. So I took out the old nail and I hammered that back in, and it took me forever because it was a stud, and so I hammered that in for a long time, but I finally got it, and I thought I could do it by myself, but my mom had to help me. And so we put that up, and it was not straight, and then I had to fix it and climb on the sink, but it turned out great in the end. It looks great, I think. I don't know. But I love the way this mirror turned out. It's perfect. For the next DIY, I had this mirror that my friend gave me for my birthday, and I decided that it needed to be repainted. So I taped off everything and was like, let's just spray paint this white. So I took the white mirror and spray painted it white, and I think it looks great. It looks so much better. It totally looks completely different. Completely. I cleaned that up and I was ready to hammer the nail on the wall and put this beautiful mirror up, and it looks so cute. I found this super cute basket in my closet, and I found these towels in my closet too, so I decided that they need to go together, and I put them in the basket, and I decided to hang them up on the little drawer that I have right here, and it looked great. These little palm branches are so cute, and I knew that I had to have them on this wall. They were perfect. So I hammered those in and put them up, and they looked so awesome. Absolutely beautiful. I love the way they look. Did you know that if you spray your pampas with hairspray, they won't shed? I have had this for so long and I've never known about this, so I finally decided to try it, and it works amazing. So I sprayed all through my pampas with hairspray, and now they're absolutely great. And I put those in a vase in the corner of my bathroom, and then I found this other vase which is super cute, and this is where that dried grass comes in, and I just place that in there and it's perfect. I put those on this tray that I had, and I put a wicker basket on there too. It fits perfectly, and I just put that vase with the dried grass right beside it, and it looked awesome. Using another one of those really pretty towels that I had, I just folded that and put that on the side. I had this wooden basket and I put my soap on it, and it turned out so cute. For this other wall, I wanted to put up a macrame, so I put a nail in the wall and hung this one up, and it worked perfectly. So now I am going to put up a rug that I also had, and this one was perfect. It looked so good. It kind of had to be folded over a little bit because it was too big, but it works great, and I love the way that it matches. My dad took off the tape and the covering off this mirror, and it looks so great. I can't believe this was just a DIY, and everything looks perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!